One lipstick, two lipstick, three lipstick, many more lipstick. So basically guys, today I'll be sharing my top 10 favorite lipsticks just under ₹100.
Tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets.
Hey guys, it's me Sarshita. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, today I really have no idea how I'm doing with this low bun, because some people say that I really don't look good with this hairstyle, but it's really so hot outside guys, so I just couldn't find any better hairstyle than this. Anyway, this is basically a kind of a budget video, especially for my teenager friends, because at this age we really can't afford tons of money in just only one product. Now a question may arise in your mind that Sarchita age of our age, or maybe 2-3 years elder than us, but if we don't know, how does she know? In fact, a good question, but the answer is guys, I am like so very interested on lipsticks since I was 13 or 14 years old. At that time I really had no knowledge about makeup, like nothing. I just had curiosity about all the shades of lipsticks, so I can just say that I really have a great experience at least of applying lipstick. Also, I think you guys can relate. If you have an elder sister, then they always help us to like choose products or by suggesting, in fact every time. Okay, so let's get started. So the first lipstick is from Inside Cosmetics and the shade name is Molten Pink number 25. So yeah, this one has a pretty mauve short of color, which is I think so perfect for every Indian skin tone. You can wear it in any occasion. So talking about the formula, this is a matte lipstick that dries in a couple of minutes, and talking about the durability, it's not that long lasting like 9 to 5, but it easily stays for 4 to 5 hours. Actually depends on what I eat. So the next lipstick is again from the same brand, Inside Cosmetic. Actually that is I'm wearing right now, and the shade name is Coffee Command and the number is 11. As you can see, it's kind of a brown color and same formula, so I think it's a perfect lipstick for wearing in an everyday basis. Again, I love their shade 09, the Sunset Red, and this red is perfectly a coral red lipstick. Although the world is tending towards nude, but a perfect red lipstick with a bold dress can definitely give you a glam. So this ultra lipstick costs just ₹90. You can easily get it in some amount of offer on Amazon. Moving towards the next lipstick, so this lipstick is from NYB and they are highly growing because of their super affordable products. So guys, I love their shade 1 and this is Peppy Pearson. This is also a nude lipstick and perfect for all Indian skin tone, and guys, it has a creamy formula. And talking about the durability, this is really not long lasting and it is also not smudge proof, but the color and according to the price, I think it's worth it. The actual price of this lipstick is a little bit higher, it's $149, but you can always get it under rupees. My voice. But you can always get it under ₹100 on Amazon, Purple, etc. So guys, the next 3 lipsticks on my favorite list are from Illy 18 Colourpop, and this is like nostalgic for me because my lipstick journey started with these lipsticks only. So guys, your first shade I love is this P21 Pink Kiss, and it's like just how I'm outlived guys. Actually I used to wear it in everyday basis when I was in 11th and 12th. So it has a pretty pink, sort of nude pink color shade. I do not apply it like completely on my lips, I just do dab, and then it really gives you a pretty dusky kind of nude color effect on your lips. And the next one is this P28 Let's Tango, and guys, at that time it was like my most favorite lipstick. So as you can see guys, this is a orangey shade and I think it matches to my skin tone very nicely. Also in one of my video I wore this lipstick and many of you guys were asking the shade name, so this was it. So moving to the number 7, and this is the number 3rd from Illy 18 Colourpops. So this is W11 and Sherry Wine. This was actually my sister's grab at first, but when I saw it I was like, wow, it's nice. Like it's a pretty wine color. As you can see, it's a little bit dark and you can wear it in a date, party, and I think in any kind of occasion. So guys, although these 3 lipsticks are not matte and not that long lasting, but their consistency and light formula just won my heart guys. So guys, the next lipstick is from Biotic Magic Color and the shade is Basic 01 Cookie Crumble, and the smell is The color is again a dusky pink, a nude short of color, and as you can see this is a bullet lipstick, so this is also not smudge proof. So yeah, this also cost ₹99 or something like that, but under 100, definitely a great steal. So guys, the next three are from Blue Heaven 9, 10, 11. So I told you guys I'll be showing you 10 lipsticks, but 11 ho gaya. But these all are my favorite guys, and you can definitely buy your favorite one. Links are in my description box. So guys, the first one is this Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color, which is red in shade, and as you can see, this is perfectly red and matte formula, and really this is long lasting, and I think this is the best lipstick under 100. Nextly, this is a 309 Cherry Sheer, and it is a purely dark maroon color. Obviously this is not perfect for like everyday basis, but you can go with this in any kind of night party event. And the last one is from the same range, 310 Plum Desire. This is also like a beautiful rosy pink color, nude color, and both of these you can get for ₹100. Oh, you will get it in offer on Amazon. So yeah, creamy consistency, and I just love them guys. So yeah, that's it guys, and you can comment down below which one is your favorite. And also, I'm not saying that these are the best lipstick in the entire world, but under 100, these are my favorite guys. And even after that, if you guys again ask me my top 3 favorite under 100, then they will be this Inside Cosmetic Sunset Red, Inside Cosmetic Coffee Command, and lastly this Elite 10 Let's Tango. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do hit the thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye guys, I will see you soon, and much love.
Taking over.